The problem is not students lack knowledge. The problem is that very often they meet reality too late. Higher education traditionally asks students learn first and apply later. But the world that they are preparing for doesn't work that way. The problems are complex, interdisciplinary, and uncertain from the beginning. At Alfonso X Sabio University, we reverse the logic.
Real challenges from companies and organizations become part of the curriculum. Students don't just study professional practice, they experience it, question it, test it, and build solutions for it.
It changed absolutely everything because it shows you what you're studying for. Imagine you're not solving an exercise, you're solving a real problem with a real enterprise, and you need to debate it, you need to fix it, and you need to collaborate with all the students of different disciplines in order to achieve it, such as pharmacy or biomedicine. You're not just being a student, you're acting like a professional.
ULabs has grown into an institutional model for experiential learning.
ABANAD is more than an university collaboration. For example, it's a way to bring the education closer to the real challenges of the sector. It allows us to connect with the students, with the talent in an early phase, and to identify the main skills that will help in the future.
ULabs place the challenge in the center of the curriculum. The challenge organizes the methodology, the interdisciplinary work, the assessment, and the development of the professional skills from the beginning.
It's a new way of designing learning, real, interdisciplinary, and connected to the future of work.